Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial today will provide you with guidelines on how to effectively remove the ransomware called CRYPTNET. CRYPTNET is the ransomware that encrypts and damages the files. My video is only for the educational purposes, of course. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will just show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without troubles. So pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data can be opened easily without any troubles at all. Sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this CRYPTNET ransomware may be easily injected into the system, so users soon realize that they cannot access their data because of this CRYPTNET ransomware. Most likely you will find some suspicious processes that could be running in the background, and those processes may be associated with that CRYPTNET ransomware. The ransomware encrypts the data and damages the files essentially. I want to give you some instructions on how to prevent the damage that could be caused by this ransomware. You may go to the task manager of your computer and find any suspicious processes that could be running in the background. So if you find them, it's a good idea that you right-click on them and end their task. This could help you prevent the further file encryption by this or any other ransomware. And also, to actually remove this ransomware, we recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Combo Cleaner, however, does not decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to protect your data from all further ransomware or malware attacks. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the program would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. Once again, let me emphasize your attention that file decryption is not possible for Combo Cleaner or for any other antivirus software. But Combo Cleaner will help you to effectively protect your data from further ransomware or malware attacks. The scanning by Combo Cleaner depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. It may also depend on how infected the system is. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their locations. On the computer, we recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best way to keep your data always protected and always free of any other malware that could possibly remain on the system. And of course, you may always request for the free trial of Combo Cleaner to fully evaluate its features.